Hello, a very quick video just using the controls of the rock landscape with ashpan door. The rock landscape's been a stove for quite a long time. We've done quite a lengthy video on this model without the ashpan door, which will, if you're looking at the listing, will probably be just further down the bottom of the listing, which goes into the approvals, the eco design, the ashpan, and all the more sort of workings of it. So if you want a more detailed look, I'd take a look at that video. But today I'm just going to show the controls working and have a quick look. So we'll close it all down and you'll see the instant effect that has on the fire. So the most dramatic control here is probably the air wash system, which helps keep the glass clean, combined with the secondary tertiary air, which goes through these series of holes at the back of the stove. And then this is a primary air on the door, which is mainly for burning coal, but again good to have for wood when you're just getting it going. On the side here, probably can't see it, but it's moving the embers inside. That's the ash riddle system. And I guess the key feature of this stove, and quite a unique one, is the ashpan door, which is really good for cleaning the stove out. You shouldn't really be having it open when the stove's going like this, but I'm going to just show you as a quick demonstration. But it's really good for getting the stove going, burst of air underneath, and also really easy to clean out. Huge ash pan on this stove, really big underneath here. That additional ash pan also gives the stove a bigger presence as well. But like I say, it just gives the stove an extra charge as well. So if you put a new log on, it's got embers. If you open this door up, sucks up air from underneath and gets it really going. And then you want to just close it off. And then you can see the air at the back there. You can close that off a little bit and then close that, and then just get it how you want it, ticking over. Hope you've enjoyed this, and thank you very much.